What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
So, as you guys can tell,
we're on the road.
And it's just us two.
Dude, this feels so weird. But before we go ahead and get started with today's vlog, let's make sure to go subscribe, throw a thumbs up, turn on the little bell to get notified every time we post a new video. Let's go.
Yes.
Alright guys, but it feels very strange. We never go out without our kids. Our kids are with us everywhere we go. You guys already know all of our videos. Camila and Mateo are with us, but you know, we got invited to Jen's friends. Well, it's our friends actually now. Birthday boat ride, and you know, we were like, let's go. Why not? Let's check it out. And yeah, so we left the kids with my mom. And Camila was very emotional. She loves going to grandma's. She loves going to my mom's house. But she was very emotional when we were leaving. She was just crying. She's like, no, don't leave me, don't leave me. Like, she goes to school, obviously without us. We drop her off and everything's fine. But I just think like her knowing that we're gonna go somewhere without them is just like, it's very strange to her. So like, she was just in her feels.
She literally was grabbing onto my leg like when I was trying to get out. And I was like, Mama, like, we're gonna be back right now, you know? Like, and she's literally like crying, like, ah!
And we're not gonna be gone for a long time. This boat ride is only for like 2 hours.
Yeah.
So we're literally gonna go, be on the little boat ride, maybe grab some food or something, then come back home. Like, it'll be before dark. Right now it's what, 12 p.m. Well, almost 1 p.m. We're late. Sorry, Patsy, we're running late, but yeah.
Well, it's at 1, and she said to try and be there like by 12:30. We're gonna get there 10 minutes late. But I actually told her like, oh, I'm sorry, it's just that Camila was having a breakdown. But yeah, so we're on our way and we'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so we're already here on the boat. And we already crashed. We already crashed. I don't know if I trust the driver. Que Dios nos ayude.
Alright you guys, so we were on our way back to our little destination, and we ran out of gas. So now we're stranded. So now we're just waiting for someone to come and give us gas. Yeah, we'll just wait. Alright you guys, so we're about to hit this boat, and they're about to push it off with their hands because we got no gas and it's just rocking. So we just gotta push off this boat so we don't damage it. Uh-oh. Alright, they came to save us. Alright babe, so where we at now?
My mom's apartment.
Where we at now?
Alright guys, so we are now at Buffalo Wild Wings. We're hungry, so we're waiting.
Shee, we waiting to be seated. Man, we hungry, we haven't ate. I had hot Cheetos for breakfast, you know what I'm saying?
I already know what I'm eating. I'm okay. What was that?
Hey, hold on, let me see. Play that back. Hold on. You what? Whoa. Oh. Hey, it's lit. Alright, that's PG. Alright, guys, so we're gonna get some food real quick and we'll get back to y'all. I don't know, but I'm ready. Okay.
No te invitó porque la página no te
What you get, babe? What you get?
I got 10-piece Parmesan garlic and original buffalo and some onion rings.
We got some onion rings right here. I got some mango habanero.
I need my card.
It's lit.
Mom's gone wild. Hey. Alright guys, so we are on our way home now to our kiddos, and we told Camila we're going to bring her a surprise. So we're actually by Tierra Mía, and Camila loves Tierra Mía.
If you know, you know, and if you don't know, you about to
we
find
got
out.
her some Tierra Mía, and I know she's gonna be super happy. We're gonna try and record her reaction to see when we give it to her. We'll see you at home. I miss my babies.
Okay guys, so we're here back to our kids. Let's see how they react. Let's see if they missed us.
Ay.
Anta Camila.
Hi, puppy.
Anta Camila.
You didn't miss me.
Oh my God, you missed us?
¿Ya no,
hi.
¿Ya no estás llorando?
You missed us? Espérate. Tu mami, dale una vez a tu mamá.
Ay, mi amor. Es una surprise, como te dijimos.
Espérate.
Hey, ¿te gusta tu surprise? ¿Sí?
Camila, te hablas, estás llorando, dile.
¿Ya no estás llorando? ¿Tú, papi? ¿Y tú qué? A ver.
Trajimos. A ver.